Hello everybody, thank you for clicking on this short video. It's a quiet evening and I wanted to share with you how my Philodendron Patriciae is unfolding a beautiful long new leaf. Now you might know that this philodendron really loves a lot of humidity. So I put it on top of this indoor fountain that I got from a friend, and I noticed that all the plants close to this fountain are really thriving because of the humidity. You can see, for instance, the purple velvet plant on the right is also really thriving because it loves high humidity. This is another leaf, a big leaf of the Philodendron Patriciae. At the bottom in the perlite you can see two seeds of the lychee tree. But I think this is just a beautiful new leaf that's unfurling. Now I think that this type of fountain is actually a very good alternative for a humidifier. I do have a humidifier in the same living room, but it's quite far away from these plants, so I decided to put the little waterfall close to all these plants. For instance, this peperomia loves humidity too, although it likes to dry out. It's even blooming at the moment. But I think this Philodendron Patriciae is just so happy. Perhaps that the light and also the fountain reminds the plant of its native region. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.